the gasket.
Oh, there's a little damp there. Oh yeah. Well, that's what you get for using paper gaskets and no fucking silicone on a domestic engine. Japanese engines have better machining and services, so you can get away with that. But
I'm trying to adjust the motor mounts so they fit in nice. Yeah, lifting up the motor to get the motor mounts in and fitted. Nice. How sick would a slow-mo of this twisting be?
Oh, dude. Especially if I like got a little too close and just smacked the lens.
Yeah. And it'd be like POV.
It would be like 3D.
Yeah.
We were doing some like super sick mods to this Mazda 3. It's got new brakes. It's getting new LCAs. Let us know in the comments if we should extend the LCAs on this bone stock Mazda 3 like 4 inches. And then like cut the tie rod pickups. Like that would be so sick. Be so down. Oh, well, why is it moving around? It's almost as if it's like missing something down there. Weird. It's almost as if it's missing something. Weird. Mods. Heavy mods.
Wow, nice. Oh shit, it's so overexposed right now.
Is it overexposed?
Yeah, dude.
That's because there's this beautiful sun. Yesterday it was pissing. Hey, look how fucking beautiful it is. Ah! Look at this nice new LCA. Look how beautiful.
You extended it, right?
Yeah. We extended it like 7.5 inches. This thing's gonna be sick, man. Like, it's gonna show up to like all Jap. Like, fucking, it's literally getting flown to Japan for auto salon. Yeah, this thing has like not only does it have a sick swap, it's got a 2.3 liter. It also has the engine flip kit. So this is actually the valve cover that you're seeing in it right now. And then this should be the transmission, but because it's flipped, this is the diff. And then like this is the transmission. And like this is actually the intake because the motor's been flipped. So the air gets sucked in through this pipe, and up top the exhaust goes through the roof.
wow, I didn't even know that. Crazy.
It's an engine flip kit, dude. It's pretty simple. Come on, man.
Weird that you don't know about them when you sell them and install them.
It's got the new engine flip kit installed, the brakes and the drift angle sick kit. Heck yeah. This thing's ready for the track.
Ooh, look at those. Look at all those dead spides. Let's see. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, fucking beauty ring it up, dude.
Hey, those are super expensive.
Yeah, I know actually though.
Yeah.
Especially when they're in this good a shape.
Yeah.
Want some cereal?
Probably get $500 for those.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Is that Dad's ass? Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
They don't fit.
They don't fit. They don't fit.
They don't fit. He needs wheel spacers.
How big? Slip on? That we have?
They'll have to be, yeah, like a half-inch slip-on would be ideal. We're just test fitting new wheels and tires on this big old beast. And I think we're gonna put some wheel spacers on it so the wheels fit a little nicer and clear stuff like, you know, frame rails in the rear end.
Figured it out that quick? Landon's car is all ready to go. There's a couple really small things that he's gonna sort out, but for the majority of the bigger stuff, it's all done, ready to rock. Andrew just finished putting those crazy Boso tips on this thing. It does have 2 mufflers, so it does meet technical requirements for our local speedway. Whether or not that exhaust tip gets him in any trouble, I guess, is another story, but we'll wait for that to happen. It's inevitable. It's inevitable. That just depends on if he gets seen with it or not, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, other than that, let us know what you think about that in the comments. Let us know what you think about root exhausts, if you would rock an exhaust like that, what kind of engine you'd want to have if you were going to rock an exhaust like that. Just talk about that exhaust in the comments. Talk about something in the comments. Watch the video, share the video even. We don't really get that many views for how many videos we put out, and it doesn't really get shared a lot, and the views are actually going down, so maybe we can try and do something about that and make the views go up. I don't know how the internet works that well, so the algorithm's probably shutting us down for all the mids content. But let's be honest, that's what's going on. YouTube has caught on to us being mids, and they're not sharing any of the content anymore, so that's why you're not seeing any of it. That's got to be it. That's the only thing that I can think of. Anyway, yeah, hit us up in the comments, and like and subscribe and share the video, and until next time.